Hey everybody, welcome to Stock Vision, the channel you can watch for market news, updates, individual stock picks, so we can all make our money grow. Now I wanted to plug in today and talk about a couple of things, one being one of my favorite stocks that are out there. We're going to go ahead and talk a little bit about that stock, why I see it's a great pick, and why we should definitely start investing in it immediately. And another pick that I think is set for a price reversal. So we're going to look at a technical analysis of another stock that I think is set to go to the upside where we can make some money real quick. Now, as always, when you watch Stock Vision, please don't forget to Hulk smash that like and subscribe button. Tell everyone that you know so we can make our money grow together. All right. Now, first thing I wanted to talk about was one of my favorite stocks that are out there. The stock is Energy Fuels, ticker symbol UUUU. Now, what Energy Fuels does is they work primarily, their main source of business is with uranium. Okay, now uranium pretty much has been out of favor lately, but I definitely see a future in nuclear energy. A couple of reasons why I see a future in nuclear energy. One, it's clean. Two, it's renewable. And three, it's sustainable. So those are three things that a lot of countries are looking into, especially with the war going on, the fluctuation in prices of oil going up and down. So a lot of countries are starting to look back into nuclear power. Europe is actually going to build 13 new reactors, one reactor in the next 13 years or so. So this is definitely something that's growing and definitely something that's coming back into favor. So us as investors, we're always looking for something that's coming back into favor, that's getting that market sentiment so it can start building those prices and going higher, which in turn is going to make our money grow. Now, another thing that UUU has been working on is they're actually developing a supply chain here in the United States for rare earth elements. Now, rare earth elements are elements that are used in all different types of things, coming from electronic devices, batteries, EV parts, car parts. These are all types of things that are needed for rare earth elements. Now, currently, as of right now, 90% of the earth supply comes out of China. So Energy Fuels has been working on the last several years of building and sustaining a rare earth element supply chain here at the United States. And they've actually been making a really solid framework within the past 2-3 years. So this is another reason why this is going to catapult Energy Fuels into the future. So this is definitely, it's going to be a good pick for the short term and even better pick for the long term. Now, when I say long term, I'm talking Energy Fuels has the potential 5, 10, 15 years from now to really have a high stock price based upon everything that they're doing. So I definitely recommend, look into them. Energy Fuels, ticker symbol UUUU. It's definitely a hot buy. You want to buy it immediately. That's definitely my recommendation because I can definitely see the prices going up from here. And actually today, the Biden administration just announced that they're going to be purchasing American-based uranium that's enriched. And I think it's about $4.9 billion. So the uranium stocks actually jumped today based upon this news. So that, coupled with the rare earth element chain that they have going, makes Energy Fuels a hot buy. Okay, the other stock I'm talking about that I think is set for a price reversal is IMAB, ticker symbol. Now, the reason why I think it's set for a price reversal is based upon the charts. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and look at the chart and determine why I think that this is set for a price reversal. Well, we can make some money quick in the short term and we can make that money grow. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the chart and I'll see you right there. Hey, good to see you guys. Before we get into the technical analysis, I actually just wanted to show you guys a quick Google search of Energy Fuels and just all the articles that have been coming up just so we can reinforce our buy decision that we have here on the channel. So Seeking Alpha did a report 3 weeks ago saying the unjustified sell-off, stock price has been going down, and nothing fundamentally about the company has changed. So they're writing an article basically saying that it's unjustified, that why the reason why the stock price has fallen so much. Another article about how they surprised on their rare earth element, how much progress they've been making in the past several years. Also about that Brazil acreage that they purchased, 37,000 acres of land where they're going to go ahead and mine more rare earth materials so they can get this supply chain going. Another place you can always look to get information on stocks as well is they do have articles like this where they'll tell you about price targets. They'll give you an idea about, insider purchases. So those are always good articles to look at, to kind of get a better sense of, what's going on in the company, what's happening. So you can see, we'll just take a quick glance, set a buy rating and a $13 price target for the company. Remember, a price target means that these analysts think within the next year that this price is going to hit $13 a share within the next 12 months. Another buy rating, they set a $9.75 price target on the stock. So you can see a lot of good price targets coming out. Another place that you can go to get information is actually on your phone. Now, I have an iPhone, so we have a stocks app on there. So you can always open up the stocks app on your phone. You can do a search for UU. You always search by the ticker symbol. You would open it up, and then it would give you a whole bunch of articles that you won't find on Google. Okay, so there we talked about the Brazil project. You can see a robust balance sheet, market leading U.S. uranium position, and remember that Biden report that just came out about purchasing U.S. uranium is really going to be a tailwind for Energy Fuels since their stockpile has been growing throughout the years. Energy Fuels scores a trifecta, ships uranium, vanadium, and Bre from their Utah mill. Strong cash position. They do have a good balance sheet, so that's really important on Wall Street as well to make sure you have a good balance sheet, a strong cash flow, and that you have money to sustain your business to make sure that it can keep going. Now, Energy Fuels does not make a lot of money. I just wanted to be forthcoming about that. But there's a lot of super potential for the future based upon everything that we're talking about. Option traders see upside in Energy Fuels. So a lot of positive things. So use your phone as a resource. This will also give you the most up-to-date press releases that are released, and you can get those as soon as you can, because sometimes those press releases can make a stock price move up or down. So you want to always keep your eye on that as investors and traders. Okay, so now we're going to go into the technical analysis like I was talking about before, and we're going to be looking at Imab, ticker symbol IMAB, and why I think it's set for a reversal to the upside. So we're looking at the daily chart right now. I'm always looking at charts, looking for an angle, looking for an advantage in the market so I can actually make my money grow quick in the short term. So you can see it's been on a downtrend. I mean, it's been going down pretty much for a while, since November of last year, just straight down, all the way up until today. Now, today it hit a 52-week low of $8.05. Okay. What happened once it printed the $8.05 is it actually printed a bullish engulfing candle. Now you're asking yourself, what in the world is a bullish engulfing candle? So let's take a look at that. This green candle is the bullish engulfing candle. What it means is literally this candle the day before, this red candle can fit inside this candle, the green candle, and the green candle engulfs this previous red candle that was printed. What this signifies that the low is in, and now the price should reverse to the upside. Couple of other things that I noticed that it's been signifying a reversal, but it hasn't actually transformed just yet. But this candle is a hammer stick candle. That also signifies a reversal. Here is an inverted hammer candle that also signifies a reversal. Nothing really happened until the bullish engulfing candle that was printed today, which could mean this could be a really positive indicator that this price is set for a reversal to the upside where we can make some money quick in the short term. All right. Now, with everything with the stock market, you never know what's going to happen. Anything can come out. A new report tomorrow can make all stocks fall. You never really know what's going to happen. This is a good way to give us an advantage to help us be able to make a good trade so we can make money quickly in the short term. Now, when I say short term, I'm talking anywhere from 2 days to 2 weeks. Okay, so that's something you want to keep in mind. and something that you may have learned between the difference between short-term trading and long-term investing. These are things that we're always going to discuss on the channel, so we can go ahead and talk about what types of trades we're going to get into, what stocks we're going to invest in. We're going to learn a lot. We're going to laugh a lot. We're going to have some fun along the way. Make sure you tell everyone that you know, so we can all make our money grow together. Now, as always, when you watch Stock Vision, please don't forget to Hulk smash that like and subscribe button. You can also follow me on Twitter at StockVision80. All right, so make sure you go ahead and do that. I'm always sending out tweets for some quick picks that you can get into. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and you have a great night.